Is your Audi Q3's MMI system frozen, silent, or acting up? The MMI system is your car's central hub for entertainment, navigation, and vehicle settings. Method 1. If your MMI display is completely dead upon ignition, try holding the entertainment system power button for a few seconds to restart the system. Method 2 is the most common soft reset. Turn on ignition, ensure the engine is running, then locate the volume knob, usually to the right of the gear selector. Press and hold it for about 10 seconds until the screen restarts with the Audi logo. Method 3. For some models, you can press and hold the nav map button along with other control buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds until the system reboots. Method 4 is specifically for Audi A1 and Q3 models with MMI or RMC systems. Press and hold the back button, the control knob, and the upper right software button simultaneously until the screen turns off and restarts. Method 5 is for Audi A5 2011 models. Hold down the setup button, the select button, and the top button simultaneously for 1 second, then release. Important note: button locations and reset methods can vary based on your specific Audi Q3 model and MMI version. Always check your vehicle's owner's manual for model-specific instructions. When basic soft resets don't resolve your MMI issues, more advanced troubleshooting steps may be necessary. However, these methods require careful consideration and may involve data loss. The first advanced option is a factory reset. This will completely restore your MMI system to its original settings, but it will erase all your saved data, including radio presets, navigation favorites, and personal settings. To perform a factory reset, first locate the Setup or Menu button on your MMI interface. The exact location varies by model year, but it's typically found on the center console control panel. Navigate to the Settings menu and look for Factory Reset or Delete Personal Data option. The menu structure may appear similar to this interface. Select the Factory Reset option and confirm when prompted. As a last resort, if you're comfortable working with car batteries, you can try disconnecting the battery. This should only be attempted if you have experience with automotive electrical systems. Open the hood and locate the battery. Disconnect the negative terminal first, shown here in black, then the positive terminal in red. Wait approximately 10 minutes before reconnecting in reverse order. If your MMI system remains unresponsive after attempting these advanced troubleshooting steps, it's time to schedule a service appointment with an Audi technician. Recent reports indicate that some MMI issues require professional diagnosis, particularly traffic recognition faults that affect system performance. Some users have needed complete MMI unit replacement under warranty. Remember that as MMI systems become increasingly complex, software glitches are more likely to occur. Professional technicians have specialized diagnostic tools and access to the latest software updates that may resolve persistent issues.